Common causes of poor fuel economy. Is poor fuel economy wreaking havoc on your budget? When a full tank is taking you half the distance it used to, it's time to take a look at what could be impacting your careful efficiency. Poor fuel economy is a sure sign that your vehicle isn't running at its best, and you need to establish where the problem lies. Unfortunately, it's not always easy to find the source of the problem because many factors can play a part. So let's learn the most common causes for a poor fuel economy. 1. Defective fuel injectors. If your fuel injectors are faulty and insufficient fuel is being injected into the engine, your car won't run efficiently. A less efficient engine means increased fuel consumption. 2. Clogged air filters. Air filters and oxygen sensors ensure that the ratio of air and fuel going into the engine is correct for optimum performance. If they're clogged or damaged, the ratio is affected, which can damage your engine and will increase the amount of fuel your car is using. 3. Underinflated tires. If your tires are underinflated, it affects the car's traction on the road, which in turn affects fuel consumption. Improperly inflated tires can increase consumption by up to 20%, as well as damage to your suspension, so check them regularly. 4. Faulty spark plugs. If the spark plugs in your car aren't sparking correctly due to wear and tear or damage, it affects combustion. The result? Increased fuel consumption. If you have found this video informative so far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel, and let's continue with the video. 5. The wrong oil. If you aren't using an oil that reduces friction or the oil recommended by the manufacturer of your vehicle, you could be paying the price with poor fuel economy. 6. Excessive idling. Idling for too long, more than 30 seconds at a time, has a severe impact on how much fuel your car uses. Ideally, turn your car off or put it in neutral to save fuel and, of course, money. 7. Bad driving habits. If you're one of those people who enjoys revving hard and taking off at speed, your exuberance could be the cause of your car's thirst for fuel. Avoid aggressive acceleration and revving. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.